Well, just time for a look at our photo of the day. Jessica Dello has captured these colours in Faversham. Thank you for sending in your photos.
But it's been getting really behind at Wimbledon because they had so much rain. How's it looking going forward, Chris?
That's right. We had that really wet day on Tuesday, showers around yesterday. But the good news is for Wimbledon, Jane, it's going to be dry here today, dry and hot tomorrow. Chance of some thunderstorms breaking out, though, as we head into the weekend, as we'll see in a moment. For today, many of us will see skies like these, and generally July's had quite a cool start to the month. However, it's set to get a lot hotter. Across on the satellite picture, we've got some thick cloud across the northwest. That's going to be bringing some heavy rain to northwestern areas. It's an area of low pressure bringing this rainfall through today and for the start of tomorrow as well. But as that low pressure pulls westwards, we start to get this flow of southerly winds moving in, and that will really boost the temperatures. All of a sudden, from being near average today, those temperatures will surge up to 29 degrees in the hottest areas for tomorrow. So if you don't like the heat, well, perhaps not the best news that you might have been looking for.
Good afternoon. It is a more settled day today. This afternoon is looking dry with some decent spells of sunshine, but we do have a developing southwesterly breeze.
Hello again. I hope you had a lovely day. Hopefully we won't be needing these tomorrow unless we've got it spectacularly wrong. It's set to be a nice warm day, very warm locally and sunny as well. But as we move into Saturday, the risk of some thunderstorms and some heavy downpours, so worth keeping an eye on the forecast if you've got plans. Still high levels of pollen with the fine weather over the next couple of days. As we head into Saturday, if we do get some heavy downpours, that will relieve things slightly on the pollen front. And it's mostly from grass and trees such as lime and chestnut. I'll see you later. Cheerio.
Well, it was nice to see the sun shining over Wimbledon, wasn't it, Sophie? But temperatures today have been a little bit down to where they should be for this time of year. In fact, we have managed to see 23 degrees, but that was not quite widely. In fact, as we go into tomorrow, though, we tap into more heat and humidity, back to 29 Celsius for some of us. That's 84 Fahrenheit. But that bodes well yet again for Wimbledon. Maybe too hot for some spectators. The players are probably used to it, but 27 degrees with that increasing humidity throughout the day. We'll still keep some humidity with 27 degrees. That's still close to 80 Fahrenheit. But to sum up the weekend, if you've got outdoor plans, it's going to be a very humid start with some sunny spells, but some thundery downpours may well rain on your parade.
Hello, thank you. Good evening. Well, it's been a much drier day of weather with some sunny spells, also some areas of cloud around as well, such as you can see here from our Weather Watcher picture from the centre of town. This is Greenwich, of course, some sunny spells also here. We are going to lose these areas of cloud tomorrow, and there will be a lot more sunshine, and temperatures are set to rise. So we saw the low 20s today, but it'll be the high 20s tomorrow.
Hello there. Temperatures have been a little bit below average for the first week of July. However, things are set to get a lot hotter as we look at the forecast for tomorrow. More on that in a second. Today, many of us have had dry weather with some spells of sunshine.
And it's fair to say it's been changeable this week.
Yes.
So what's to come?
Well, it's going to feel a lot like summer over the next couple of days, particularly tomorrow. But we aren't going to be without a few showers here and there, some of which could turn on the thundery side. But let's take a quick look at the air mass. And as we run the sequence into tomorrow, you can see we get that warm feed of air coming up with the jet stream. But as we run through the rest of the weekend, it starts to turn a little cooler. So expect quite a leap in temperatures tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at highs of 30 degrees. Today rather, it's been in the low 20s. So it will feel a lot hotter, but also the humidity will start to build as we head through the next few days. And that's when we pick up the risk of some thundery downpours on Saturday. So do keep a watchful eye on the forecast. Wouldn't be surprised if we did get some warnings issued in the next couple of days. It's been pretty good today, though. Certainly dry across much of England and Wales. This was the scene at the British Summertime Festival in Hyde Park earlier. Bruce Springsteen is on stage right now, actually. I'm sure they're enjoying a pretty fine evening. As I say, it's quite nice out there. Temperatures are kind of dipping slowly, but tomorrow we are going to get a boost. That sun is going to be high in the sky. Right, let's take a look at the details then for the next couple of days. As I say, showers on the horizon. So as we head through the next few days, it is going to be noticeably hotter. As I say, tomorrow and Saturday, temperatures are going to be around 30 in the south, but there's also the risk of heavy thundery downpours. By Sunday, though, that air mass has moved on and it's back to cooler conditions, temperatures more around average for the time of year. Just thinking, actually, Wimbledon's on at the weekend. Obviously, those heavy thundery downpours could affect play there as well.